Hey, Jay, are you ready to book our flight?
Yes, but can we avoid the 6 a.m. flight? I'm allergic to mornings.
No worries. Let's pick something after 10 a.m., sleepyhead.
Perfect. Window seat, please. I like to pretend I'm flying the plane.
As long as you don't ask the pilot to move over.
I might, if he looks sleepy too.
Okay, found one. Direct flight, 11 a.m., good price.
Book it before my brain changes its mind.
Done. We're flying next month.
Great. I'll pack early, or at least 10 minutes before we leave.
Good morning. How can I help you today?
Hi, I want to book a flight to New York next weekend.
Great. Do you prefer a morning or evening flight?
I think morning is better for me.
Okay. We have a flight at 9 a.m. on Saturday.
That sounds perfect. How much is the ticket?
It's $250 for one way. Would you like to book it now?
Yes, please. Thank you so much for your help.
Hello, is this the hotel in Moscow?
Yes, sir. How can I help you today?
I'd like to book a room for 3 nights next week.
Sure. What dates would you like to check in and check out?
I will check in on Monday and check out on Thursday.
Perfect. Would you like a single room or a double room?
A single room, please. How much is it per night?
It's $80 per night, including breakfast.
That sounds good. Can I pay when I arrive?
Yes, sir. Your reservation is confirmed. We look forward to welcoming you.
Hello, I'd like to book a room, please.
Of course. For how many nights?
Just 2 nights. Do you have any rooms available?
Yes, we have a few. Do you prefer a single or double room?
A single room, please. How much does it cost per night?
It's $80 per night, including breakfast.
Great. Can I check in now?
Yes, your room is ready.
Hi, is this Sunny Style Salon? Yes, it is. How can I help you today? I'd like to book a haircut for this Saturday. Do you have any openings? Let me check. Yes, we have a 2 p.m. slot available. Perfect. Can I also add a shampoo and blow dry? Of course. That will be included in the service. Great. How long will the whole appointment take? About 1 hour in total. Awesome. I'll be there on time. Thank you. You're welcome. See you Saturday at 2.
Hello. I'd like to book a table for dinner tonight.
Sure. For how many people, ma'am?
Just 2, please. Around 7 p.m.
Got it. Would you like a table inside or outside?
Outside would be lovely if possible.
No problem. May I have your name, please?
It's Emily Parker. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss Parker. We'll see you at 7.
Hello? Can I book a taxi to the airport, please?
Sure. What time do you need the taxi?
I need the taxi at 7 a.m.
Okay. What is your pickup address?
My address is 25 Green Street.
Got it. How many people will be traveling?
Just one person.
Great. Do you have any luggage?
Yes, I have 2 suitcases.
No problem. The taxi will arrive at 7 a.m. Thank you.
Ben, shall we go out to get some food? I'm starving.
Yeah, good idea. But we'll need to borrow Dad's car.
Do you think he'll let us use it today?
I think so. Let's ask him before he goes out. Dad, may I borrow the car for a bit? Ella and I want to grab some food.
That's fine, Ben. Just make sure you fill up the tank afterwards.
Of course, Dad. We won't be long.
Good lad. Drive safely, all right?
Good morning. Can I talk to someone about a loan?
Good morning. Yes, I can help you. How much money do you need?
I need about $5,000.
Okay, what do you need the loan for?
I want to start a small business.
That sounds good. Do you have a job right now?
Yes, I work full-time at a store.
Great. Do you have any savings?
Yes, I have some savings in this bank.
Perfect. Do you want the loan for 1 year or more?
Maybe for 2 years? Is that possible?
Yes, that's possible. I will give you the forms to fill out.
Thank you. Do I need to bring any documents?
Yes, please bring your ID and proof of income.
Good morning. Are you ready for today's meeting?
Good morning. Yes, I am. What time is the meeting?
It starts at 10 a.m. Do you have the documents prepared?
Yes, I printed them already. Do you want me to make copies?
Yes, please. How many copies do we need?
We need 6 copies. Should I also prepare pens and notepads?
That's a good idea. Do we have water for the clients?
Yes, I ordered bottled water. Do you want coffee too?
Yes, coffee would be nice. Can you set it up in the room?
Of course. Do you also want me to test the projector?
Yes, check it before the meeting. Is the presentation file ready?
Yes, I saved it on the laptop. Do you want me to set it up now?
Yes, please. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. I'll make sure everything is ready. Good morning, Mr. Harris. Do you need anything for the meeting?
Good morning, Miss Clark. Yes, can you print the reports? What time is the meeting?
It starts at 10 a.m. Do you want coffee before it?
Yes, please, thank you. Did you send the email to the client?
Yes, I sent it this morning. Do you want me to prepare the slides too?
That would be great. Can you finish them by 9:30?
Of course. Is there anything else I should do?
Just remind me 5 minutes before the meeting.
Daniel, can we talk? You look upset.
Yeah, Rachel, I think we need to break up.
What? Why are you saying this now?
I feel like we argue all the time, and it hurts.
But I still care about you. Doesn't that matter?
It does, but I'm tired of feeling sad every day.
You could have talked to me before deciding this.
I tried, but you never really listened.
So that's it? Just goodbye?
I'm sorry, Rachel. I hope you'll be okay.
Morning. What's for breakfast?
Morning. I was thinking toast and eggs.
Sounds lovely. Do we have any jam?
Yes, strawberry jam in the cupboard.
Brilliant. What about tea?
Of course, the kettle's already on.
Perfect. Shall I make the eggs?
That would be grand, thank you.
No problem. I'll get started.
Lovely. Breakfast will be ready in no time.
The night is quiet, don't you think?
Yeah, it feels calm, but my mind is on my family.
Do you think of them often while we're out here?
Every day, man. My kids keep me strong. What about you?
I think of my wife. Her smile helps me keep going.
That's beautiful. If anything happens, they'll know we loved them.
True. We fight so they can have peace at home.
You're right. That's what keeps me steady.
Promise me, if I don't make it back, you'll tell her I was brave.
I promise, brother. And you do the same for me.